Chapter 7 Birds. Hello everyone. Today we'll learn about different birds. Let's see what we have. 1. Crow. A crow is black and known for its cawing sound. 2. Parrot. A parrot is colorful and can mimic sounds. 3. Owl. An owl is nocturnal and has big eyes. 4. Sparrow. A sparrow is small and chirps a lot. 5. Peacock. A peacock has beautiful feathers and can dance. 6. Pigeon. A pigeon is common in cities and can carry messages. 7. Duck. A duck swims in water and quacks. Great job! Birds are fascinating and come in many shapes and sizes. See you next time.